Are we ready for the new pantry reveal? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you excited?
We are. You get one side.
I get the other.
And I get the other.
Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and Soprano in Boston, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. I am not in my home today. I am in my parents' home in Maryland, and I am visiting for the first time since all of the crazy world stuff started, and I am very grateful to be here. It is the first time I've traveled since this all went down, so I'm very, very grateful. But my mother has requested that I take a look and try to get the pantry under control because it's just gotten a little bit crazy. So we're gonna take a look today and try to organize it a little, and I will take you guys on the journey with me. I will be maybe buying items, but maybe not buying items. I might just want to organize it better so that she can find things easier. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge because it's got all pull-out drawer. I'll just show you. But first I will show you the bean because he came with us. And he is very happy to be here as well. Okay, so this is the pantry closet in their kitchen, and I will just open it up so you guys can see what is going on in here. There is a lot happening in this pantry, so we're gonna, Clover's like, what is going on? So we're gonna try and neaten it up today just so she can find things and, you know, maybe operate a little easier. And all of these are drawers, so they pull out of the space, which is nice. So hopefully we're gonna get this under control. Clover, how you doing? How you doing? I don't know if there are any organizing solutions in the space. I may just look around and see if there are containers I can use or something, but I will definitely just go ahead and zone it out first. So I'm gonna clear a little bit of counter space. Well, I think I'm gonna just use that counter space, and maybe I'll make myself a cup of coffee too because your girl needs coffee. Ready, Clover? You ready? Let's go for it. Just a quick update on how things are going. This whole thing was mostly tea and coffee things. I have taken out a few things that were expired or questionable, but my main recommendation is not all of this needs to be stored here. Some of it can be back stock. I'm thinking some of this area can be allocated for back stock, although I'm not completely convinced. My mother is very particular. So I may be able to move some of this to the laundry closet as well, because there are very large number of these items. And there's a lot of multiples of things which I don't think always need to be within arm's length. I have removed things from their packaging, which is always a good recommendation. When trying to use things, ditch the packaging. Just open the thing, make the commitment, and it will make you more likely to use it. These were in, they were actually in this little box. I actually think I bought these for my mom. And when you see this box, you're like, I don't know, what is it? But then you see these little guys, you're like, oh, it's tea. And they're actually in little individual tea bags, so they're easy to use. So I just went and took them out of their packaging. Hopefully they will get used now. But I'm going to figure out something for this, and I'll get back to you when I am there. Okay, so I just wanted to check in really quickly. I have put the extras in a dedicated backstock space, which is this space above the laundry. My mom loves to buy multiples of items. As you can see, there's all those. They should go all the way back there. So everything, this is gonna be like her store. Like if she runs out of something, I'm going to suggest that she check here first and then go out and buy something if she needs it. But it's basically everything that hasn't been opened but was being stored there. You don't need to store all of your things within your working area, in this case being the pantry. So I'm still working on the teas and beverages area. What I'm doing mainly without taking everything out, which is usually what I recommend, but it's not in this case, is separating items into categories. So down below here was all of the cooking, I think, like things, sauces and oils. So we got vinegars here, we've got some oils back there, and some Worcestershire sauce, I can't say that. There's soy sauces and tamari here, some more olive oil here, cooking oils, and then back there is all things that were basically like sugar based, like honey, molasses, caro syrup, those things. This I'm sure is like fat. I'm gonna just leave this here because I'm sure she's used to that. Haven't put the teas back yet. This shelf, and I'm trying to keep the same system that she had because it's really hard for people to adjust if you completely change things around, so I'm trying to work with what's here. This looks like it's snacks, so I'm gonna try to keep it as snacks, but I can also see that there are some dry goods here as well as there's macaroni here, there looks like some rice, no, this is pasta, and also some, this looks like broth, chicken broth? Yeah, this is chicken broth. There's also some rice here, so I'm gonna move that to its own area and give snacks a dedicated space. There's also some bread there as well. And I noticed that there's condiments in multiple places. One of my main recommendations is that when you're doing a pantry, make sure you give everything its own appropriate zone. So all of the snacks should go together, all of the cereal should go together, all the dry goods, everything you need to cook and reach for frequently. So we've still got a little bit of a ways to go, but I wanted to give you an update, and I'm gonna get back to work.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
All right, I am done, at least initially, my reorganization of the pantry, and it's time for the big reveal. I got my mom and Lori here, and we're gonna see what happened inside the pantry. Are we ready for the new pantry reveal? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you excited?
We are.
All right,
We're ready.
let's take a look. Go ahead and open it up.
Okay, Lori. You get one side.
I get the other.
And I get the other.
Yay!
My God. Look at this.
We can find things.
Oh my goodness. I can see what's in here.
Yeah, so it's organized by category, and I set up zones for you. So it doesn't look like Pinterest, but you're definitely going to be able to find things. These are like kind of sugary things like molasses, honey and stuff. Then we've got your chicken broth, and there's one lone vegetable broth by itself. These are all your cooking oils, vinegars, etc., etc. If you need an extra condiment, you know where to go. We got reused that bin.
Perfect. Did you find any pear liqueur?
I did not.
Oh, darn it. We
I-
misplaced it.
I
Looking for
wait, it exists? You're just kidding. You're just yanking my chain. I love pear liqueur. We've got coffee here.
This is your dad's
Green tea.
collection.
Okay. Herbal tea. We've got Ovaltine. We've got black tea and herbal tea there as well. Sorry, I said green tea and herbal tea. So all set up for it. So let's drink the tea. Let's all drink tea. And here we've got all the snacks in the world. So we've got dried fruit, we've got peanut butter and nuts, we've got cookies and cupcakes, and we've got savory snacks on that side. And this is like the extra stuff that I found in this little tin.
Yeah, isn't that the most adorable little tin?
I love that.
It is the favorite mixture of all of their good stuff. Milk and dark chocolate covered pretzels, dark chocolate covered caramel popcorn. Then you also have little mini peanut butter cups, dark chocolate and regular milk chocolate.
I want it right now.
Trust me, if you don't want to become addicted, then don't take a bite. Because once you take the lid off and inhale, you're done.
Uh-oh.
I mean, it is the bomb.
Things that don't stack well belong in a bin. Because otherwise, because you can stack boxes, right? But you can't stack bags. Here we've got pasta, rice, bread, cereal, and flour stuff. So all the breakfast stuff is here. All the flour, and oh, we've got cake flour.
Are we baking a cake?
Not sure. And at the top, we've got all of the sauces and breadcrumbs and cooking stuff, but you've got a lot of different sauce mixes here. And I didn't move your other sauces out of this container. I just moved the container up here so they could all be together, because it's important that things that are alike are all stored together.
Absolutely.
And because there were more than one not new package of whatever, we made a little backstock area for you in the laundry.
Oh,
over here,
goodness.
where we have all of the backstock.
Oh, my goodness.
So the next time you feel like you're running out of something, come and check here first, and then go to the grocery store. And also all the baking stuff is here as well, because I don't think that baking is an everyday thing. It's kind of an every once in a while thing. So that is the completed project. How do we like it?
I love it.
It's
We
good?
love it. Yes.
It's good?
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Now, if
yes.
I need to add anything to it the rest of the week, I will do that, and I will document it, but I guess we did a great job. I hope you enjoy your new organized
And
pantry.
Mom's usual.
The queen princess wave. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. I'll see you next week. Bye.